EU countries, if construction site dust exceeds limits for just 30 seconds, fines can reach up to 50,000 euros. Construction dust isn't just a health issue. In Europe and America, it's a compliance red line, but most construction sites are still cutting boards the traditional way. Cutting creates dust. Dust brings complaints. Complaints leads to fines. Step by step, the cost keeps rising. One problem on site, and the entire project pays the price. Golden Power's difference start at the design stage, turning on-site cutting from a necessity into a rare exception. You provide the drawing. We pre-cut at the factory. The whole batch arrives on site. Open the packaging. Install directly. No cutting means no dust. Workers stay healthy, and you avoid the risk of occupational health claims. No cutting means no noise. No complaints means no surprise inspections. No cutting means no waste. Panels arrives as finished products. Material costs goes down. Profits goes up. We did the math, 90% less on on-site cutting, a quarter less waste, nearly 14 times faster completion. More importantly, fine risk, zero. Behind this isn't just luck. It's Golden Power's design team, precision equipment, and experience from countless international projects. For your next project, don't pay for dust. Contact us. Let us talk about your project drawings and see how we can help.